Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable the search button while editing HTML code of your Blogger template. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly locate specific elements or tags within your template's code, making the editing process much more efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to blogger.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Blogger account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the blog template you want to edit. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Blogger dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Theme. This section is where you can manage your blog's appearance and access the template customization options. Once you're in the Theme section, you'll notice a Customize button. Right beside it, there's a small drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Edit HTML. This will open up the HTML editor where you can view and modify your blog template's underlying code. The page might take a moment to load as it's pulling up all the code that makes up your template. Now that you're in the HTML editor, here's where the search functionality comes in handy. To enable the search button, simply click anywhere within the code area. This activates the code editor and prepares it for your input. Next, if you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl F on your keyboard. If you're working on a Mac, press Command F instead. This keyboard shortcut is universal across most browsers and text editors, and it instantly activates the search function within the HTML editor. Once you press the shortcut, you'll notice a search bar appears, usually at the top or side of the code editor. This search bar is now fully enabled and ready to use. You can type in any HTML tag, class name, or piece of code you're looking for. For example, if you want to find the head section of your template, simply type in <head greater than into the search bar, and it will highlight all instances of that tag throughout your code, making it easy to navigate directly to the section you need to edit. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the search button in Blogger's HTML editor, allowing you to quickly find and edit specific parts of your template code without endless scrolling. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.